When you think of wide-bodied stance cars, there are few names that are as iconic as that of Liberty Walk. From the Daihatsu Coupens to the legendary Ferrari F40, Liberty Walk has spared few cars from their eye-catching artistic treatment. Their shops now span across multiple continents, and in this episode of our Bangkok journey, we head to Liberty Walk, Thailand at Infinite Motorsports. From the days where they had to run their shop on a dime, going as far as having to borrow electricity from their neighbours and using a shipping container for their office, we'll tell you the story of how Ot built his motorsport empire in Bangkok today.
Okay, hi, my name is Ot. This is Infinite Motorsport. We are the distributor for Liberty Walk, Thailand. We are open here since 2015. Before I'm open this shop, I'm an architect. And one day I have a dream. I'm quit from the job and start to build here. My friend includes our team is a 4 member of Liberty Walk Thailand. So at the first time we have a plan to open a tuning shop for a GTR. It's kind of like modify the engine, but it's expensive. And we was young. We don't have money too much. So we decide to find something in the very cool and buy and sell in Thailand. So one day I saw the Liberty Walk in the Speed Hunter for a long time before I have an idea to open this shop. And after that, one day we write the email, send to Liberty Walk Japan in around maybe I think 2 a.m. and in the morning. And the Liberty Walk Japan replied. He said, "Oh, your guys are very, very crazy, but look interesting. Have a Bangkok auto salon in the first time, 2014, right? Liberty Walk Japan sent the 2 cars to auto salon in Thailand. It's the Liberty Walk of 458 and the R35 version 1. And before the show, around maybe 2 months, Liberty Walk Japan sends some of the stuff to my house. It's a T-shirt and the thing to show in the auto salon. And after we spend time with the Kato-san, we can talk a lot of the car culture in Thailand, and they believe us and they trust us. And he said, our group is remind him when Kato-san was young. He have a big dream too, and don't have money, but he want to start to make something different, something big. So it's kind of like our attitude is matching. The first car of Liberty Walk in Thailand is GTR R35. This car is one of our partner, and the first car installed the body kit in my house because we don't have this place before. And after the first car finished, we bring this car to every car meet in Thailand. And the car guy in Thailand is exciting about this car. We start for money, very low money, budget is around 2 million baht to order the kit, exhaust, and suspension, and build the first workshop. This is the first workshop, very small, and I have 2 containers because at the first year, we don't have an electricity. We put the plug in the big house here behind, and I don't have a toilet. Our customer go to the gas station. Yeah, it's very hard time. And after we open the shop, we cannot sell anything around maybe 8 or 9 months. I'm playing the ping pong every day in the evening. Actually, we have the table tennis table. Here in this container, we play every day because we don't have a customer. So one day, because I'm a designer, right? I have a customer. I'm a design house for him, and I'm a beg him, please buy something for me. Okay, he choose buy a suspension from us. So after that, we can sell the kit. Is a Liberty Walk Aventador version 1. And after that, in 2018, we opened the wrap shop here. And 2019, we opened this car wash. And this building is Pit 8. It's a motorsport cafe. and the second floor is my architect office. So we seek for the maybe in the future I have the cool brand more in the car culture, and we try to collect to be a distributor more. We try to produce the cool car more because here is because the name is infinite. It means it's some kind of like infinity, right? So it's the same as our passion for the car. Yeah, it's an infinity passion.
Having spent the day at Infinite Motorsports, we got back in the FC and made our way to Impact Arena for loading. Stay tuned for our coverage of Bangkok Auto Salon in the next video.